Tsuglakhang of Kungri is not another anonymous temple standing in the remote Himalayan valley. It is a place filled with many secrets, which a team of conservators and historians are working to reveal. In 1841, the valley was plundered by a Sikh military force. At that time, a soldier set the temple on fire and the walls became covered with soot. Very recently, we started to reveal the beauty of the wall paintings hidden underneath this thick black layer. In the midst of the 17th century, a religious from the valley named Kungri Tsuglakhang came back from Tibet with a group of yogis. From the south of Tibet, they brought back the ancient tradition of Pema Lingpa. They first settled in the hermitage of Saling, where they used to live, practice, and stay in retreat. The religious practice of the Pema Lingpa's tradition is still used nowadays in the Clouds Valley, not only for magnificent ceremonies in its monasteries, but also in the intimacy of each village house. After several years, these yogis were called to take charge of the Tsuglakhang in Kungri. At that time, precious wall paintings were made in the temple. Behind the black soot, we hope to find more about this history. Will you help us discover more?